In this video, I'm going to show you how to be Skibidi in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Being Skibidi Toilet in Roblox adds a hilarious and chaotic twist to the gameplay, letting you embrace the meme and surprise other players with quirky antics. It's a fun way to stand out and enjoy some lighthearted fun. To begin, open the Roblox homepage on your laptop or PC. Once the page loads, locate the left-hand side panel and click on the Avatar option. This will redirect you to the marketplace where you can customize your avatar. Once you're in the marketplace, navigate to the Characters section. Here, you'll be able to choose from a variety of characters to personalize your avatar. For example, I decided to select the Nick Bus character. I made my choices for the head and body parts to match the look I desired. Next, scroll down to find the Hidden Body section. In this area, you will have the option to make adjustments to your avatar's body size. Select the first option in the list and then the second option to make the avatar shorter, similar to the Skibidi style. For clothing, I opted for the headless and legless options, leaving only the torso visible. This gives your avatar a unique appearance where the head and legs are no longer present. Finally, once all the customizations are complete, you can launch the game. As the gameplay starts, you'll notice that your avatar will appear exactly as you intended, reflecting all the choices you've made. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.